A warm good morning to all. My name is Jovana Josy. I am studying in 2nd standard in Carmel CMI Public School, VAZHAKULAM. I am going to speak about the role of the students in keeping the surroundings clean. There is a saying, like charity begins at home, cleanliness starts from home. Cleanliness is an important virtue which a student should achieve in his student's life itself. Cleanliness means the complete absence of dirt and stains and bad smells and odors in our surroundings. It must be the top priority for a child in school and in home. Self-cleanliness is the important factor that a student must practice first. And this self-cleanliness must lead to cleanliness of one's environment and surroundings. By keeping the surroundings clean, we are contributing actually to our own health and the health of the society. A student can do lot of things to keep our surroundings healthy and clean. Keep your books and textbooks clean. Always wear neat and ironed dress. Keep your shoe and socks clean. Place the waste papers and often wraps in the waste basket itself. Avoid plastics. Use water properly, etc. It is said that cleanliness is next to godliness. So let us do all the things possible for our students to make our surroundings clean and neat. Let us make our society more healthy and productive. Thank you.